Oh, Madonna. Perfection. Just like you. Ingredients. Today, I feel fruity, I feel sweet. It's a very, very special day because we're making a custard cream and fruit pie, Roman style, of course. You go to Rome, you'll find a miniature version of what we're doing today. È una piccola crostatina, crema al limone e frutta. Buonissima. We start with the short crust pastry, double of flour or all-purpose, sugar, unsalted butter, vanilla extract, and of course lemon zest, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and now we mix. And now 1 egg. Perfetto. Just like you. Now let's wrap it and in the fridge for 30 minutes. It's time for the short crust to come alive. Butter your pan. Now, let's hold it down with something heavy like dry beans in the oven for about 20 minutes. And now a very quick custard cream recipe. Milk and lemon peel. And we simmer. In a separate saucepan, 2 eggs, sugar, and now starch. Lemon peel have done their jobs. Perfection. Now back on the stove on a low simmer. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Perfection. Okay, now this is gotta be one of my favorite moments. You know, it's coming all together. We're going to do the custard layer and then the fruit layer. Crying. Buona, buona! Bella, bella, bella di mamma. Il mio nome è crostatina. Bella, brava. Just really love berries, so this is like a custard cream berry gorgeousness. I'm gonna do like an outer layer of blueberries. Now the raspberries. One fruit that drives me crazy, kiwis. Now, of course, if you serve this as is, nobody's gonna complain. But if you wanna be a show-off, let me show you the ultimate glaze. We start with starch and sugar. Give it a little toss. Water in, and now on the fire just a few minutes. Mamma mia, che bella! Now you see, you could have served it earlier, but now it's spectacular, just like you are. Just gorgissimo. Nonna would be proud. Dreamy, just like you are. And now with this in conclusion, there's only one option. Gotta subscribe. Bye, guys.